What's going on, guys? Mike with NRGcreativ, and I have a new mount that I'm going to debut here. It's actually not released to the public yet, but it's very soon coming here, probably within the next week. I'll have it on the website. But so you've all seen, and many, probably hundreds and thousands of skis have this front mount on there. And this mount is the old one, and basically it either worked with my stick or you could use somebody else's stick, and it screws into the base and so on. Pretty bulletproof, you know. And it also had the side mounts here, or the thumb screws where you could secure it on the side. But there are issues with people using sticks like this. Some people were not buying my selfie stick, which is a fixed length like this, and they were using their own. These metal ones are kind of flimsy sometimes. They do shake, and then people are extending them. That's where you run into problems. So I wanted to come up with something that is just mine. You're gonna have to use it this way. This is gonna come as a combo. It's the same mount. It's just redesigned in a tiny little way. This one will come with its own selfie stick as a set. You cannot break it up. You cannot use anybody else's selfie stick in here. There's no threaded bolt in here for anything to go into, so this is not going to work. You must use it as a set. And guys, this puts the angle, the height of your camera at the perfect place for some awesome front shots. This, if you notice, is my stick that has a little bit of funny end here on the side. So you're going to screw this in just like that, and then you're going to snug down the thumb screws on each side. You don't have to crank them. You're just going to snug them down where this can't move. Not only can it not twist at all once you snug these down, but it also, I don't know if you can see, but there's zero movement if you try and grab this stick. Front to back, side to side, it doesn't matter. This thing is not moving. This is one solid unit. But anyway, this is what this thing looks like on the ski. Check this out. So guys, this new mount is going to come to you as a two-piece, and these thumb screws are pretty short. They're pretty tiny. They don't have to be that long, and it's specifically just to give you to lock this in here so it won't twist. As far as the side to side and the front to back movement, it's not going to happen because it is threaded in here just like that to the mount. Just like that. And then without the thumb screws, of course, you can see that's pretty easy to turn. When you lock your thumb screws down, it's not going anywhere. So this is going to be the new mount, guys, the new 360 front mount. So whether you want to mount your 360 camera to the top of it, or if you want to mount your GoPro to the top of it, whatever you want to do, this is it. So look for this on the website. It's not out just yet, but it will be very shortly. This is kind of a preview of this here. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, we're always trying to improve. And again, these mounts, there's nothing wrong with these. So you're going to have two options. This one here, you're going to want to order if you want to use your own selfie stick. If you want one that's just matched, basically, it's matched, it's ready, no movement, zero whatsoever, you're going to want this one. Guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.